What's going on, everyone? I just got in my window privacy film. This is the frosted glass version. I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick review of this. This actually seems really good. Right out of the package itself, it comes with a highly detailed instruction manual. And I was surprised because I thought I was just going to get the film. But inside, it actually comes with a bunch of accessories. It comes with a bottle because you're going to need a lot of soapy water. It comes with the squeegee, and it even comes with, there it is, a nice rag to even dry it off. Let's go ahead. I'm going to take you over to the window. I'm going to put a piece on there, and let's go ahead and see how it looks. All right, y'all. So to not make this video so long, what we're going to do here is do this piece right here. I have my water and soap mixture. Just a little bit of soap and water, of course. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to spray this area, make sure it's clean, and then spray it with a bunch of soapy water. There's going to be an excessive amount of water. That's why they give you that cloth there. Now, more water is better than less. So really load it up, put a lot of water on there. Believe me, more is better. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up real quick. All right, now that we speeded that up and we got that off, you're going to, on the back of the paper too, you want to make this real wet. All right, you need a lot of water on this application for two reasons. One, it helps it stick, and two, it actually helps it be able to move around. And you're just going to position this real quick. It doesn't have to be perfect yet. You don't have to worry about the water yet. And then again, you're going to come back with your water, and you're going to do the outside too, because you don't want to scratch this at all. You then take your squeegee and you squeegee from one corner up to make sure that it's nice and tight. Now that side is now locked. Now you can work from left to right and pushing out all of the bubbles. As you can see, you'll also see all the water come out. That's again why you need that rag. But you can see here how easy it is to get out all the bubbles with no problem at all. Remember, more water is better. All right, now that all the water is completely out, you're going to let that soak or heat up for a few days, okay? Don't touch it, don't play with it. You're going to see a little bit of bubbles, but in a couple days, it will all be away and it'll stick perfectly. Thank you for staying tuned to this. Go ahead and check it out.